Österlen is a beautiful place where I get very inspired, especially about food, because the food culture here is higher than anywhere else in Sweden. I love to take long walks when I have days off, and I think about the next menu and pastries I will make the next days. There are so many quality places around here where I try to go as much as I can, and that high level, that quality push me to do the best work possible. And I'm sure it push everyone here to provide the best they can do. I really think that making food is a kind of art. I mean, you have to always be inspired to create new things all the time. That's why I hate the routine. And the countryside here is probably one of the most inspiring places in the country.